Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from BitGet to Binance. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, in order to transfer from BitGet, you want to go ahead to Assets, and right there you will see all of your funds. Now, if you would click on Spot, you will see all of your cryptocurrencies and then the Withdraw buttons. So you want to click Withdraw. And after that, you're going to choose what you want to go ahead and withdraw. So for today, of course, we're going to choose USDT. Then you're going to choose on-chain withdrawal. And from here, as you can see, you can choose a withdrawal network. So you want to choose the one which fits you the best. As you can see, there's zero fee for Binance Smart Chain. So I'm just going to leave it like so. Now we need a withdrawal address. So we need to go to Binance, go to Wallets, and deposit. After that, you're going to choose USDT, and now you're going to choose BNB Smart Chain, the first one network. And here you will see the address which you want to go ahead and copy and go back to BitGet. Now on BitGet, you're going to go ahead and paste the address. And after that, you will be able to enter the amount you want to withdraw. And you will see that the fee will be 0 USDT, and you're going to click withdraw. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.